The weaver bird of Salalah, Oman, nature's master architect. In the lush green landscapes of Salalah, especially during the magical Khareef season, when mist covers the mountains and the air feels cool and alive, one small bird captures the attention of nature lovers and photographers alike, the remarkable weaver bird. Known for its extraordinary nest-building skills, vibrant colors, and fascinating life cycle, the weaver bird is one of the most impressive avian architects in the world. And in Salalah, Oman, these tiny builders thrive in harmony with the region's unique environment. A natural artist in the skies of Dhofar. The weaver birds seen in Salalah are often found near farms, palm groves, grassy valleys, and water sources. Their preferred habitats include acacia trees, date palm plantations, and agricultural lands where fresh grasses and reeds are easily available for nest construction. During breeding season, the male weaver transforms into a striking figure. His feathers glow in shades of bright yellow, often contrasted with darker masks around the face. Under the soft sunlight of Dhofar's highlands, these colors shine brilliantly, making them easy to spot among the green trees. Their cheerful chirping fills the air, especially in the early morning hours. As you walk through Salalah's countryside, you may notice clusters of beautifully woven nests hanging like delicate lanterns from tree branches. These nests are not accidental creations. They are masterpieces carefully designed to protect future generations. The masterpiece nest, engineering beyond imagination. What makes the weaver bird truly extraordinary is its nest-building ability. The male bird weaves long strands of grass into intricate, tightly knotted structures. Using only his beak and incredible patience, he creates a hanging nest with a narrow entrance tunnel, a brilliant defense mechanism against predators such as snakes and larger birds. Each nest can take several days to complete. Each nest can take several days to complete. The male may build multiple nests to impress potential mates. If a female approves of his work, she chooses that nest, and the breeding process begins. If she rejects it, the male may abandon it and start over. This process demonstrates not only skill but also resilience and determination. In Salalah's fertile regions, especially during Khareef when grass is abundant, the weavers have ideal conditions for building strong, fresh nests. The green surroundings provide both materials and camouflage. Life cycle of the weaver bird. The life cycle of the weaver bird is a story of dedication and survival. After the female selects a nest, she lays typically 2 to 4 eggs. The incubation period lasts about 2 weeks. During this time, the female carefully protects the eggs while the male continues to guard the territory. Once hatched, the chicks are small, fragile, and completely dependent on their parents. Both parents participate in feeding them, bringing insects and seeds to provide necessary nutrition. Within 2 to 3 weeks, the young birds begin to develop feathers and prepare for their first flight. As they mature, the males eventually develop their bright breeding plumage, while females maintain more subtle brown tones for camouflage. The cycle then continues, especially during seasons when food and materials are plentiful. Comparison with weaver birds around the world. While Salalah hosts its own population of weaver birds, these species are part of a larger global family found mainly in Africa and parts of Asia. In Africa, particularly in countries like Kenya and South Africa, massive colonies of weaver birds can build enormous communal nests that house hundreds of birds at once. These structures resemble large haystacks hanging from trees or even telephone poles. In India and South Asia, the bio weaver is famous for similar hanging nests built over water bodies to avoid predators. Compared to their African relatives, the weaver birds in Oman tend to form smaller colonies. However, their craftsmanship is no less impressive. The environmental conditions of Dhofar, seasonal rain, green valleys, and scattered farms, create a unique setting that blends Middle Eastern desert beauty with African-style biodiversity. Best places to see weaver birds in Salalah. If you are visiting Salalah and wish to observe these fascinating birds, consider exploring palm farms and agricultural areas near Salalah city, Wadi Darbat and nearby green valleys, rural areas with acacia trees, Locations with fresh water sources. Early morning and late afternoon are the best times for birdwatching. Bring binoculars and a camera with zoom capability to capture their delicate movements without disturbing them. Activities for tourists. Visiting Weaver bird habitats offers more than just birdwatching. You can enjoy nature photography, wildlife observation, peaceful countryside walks, educational trips for children, learning about ecosystem balance. For ecotourists, observing Weaver birds provides insight into the delicate balance between climate, vegetation, and wildlife in southern Oman. Ecological importance. Weaver birds play a vital role in maintaining the ecological balance. They help control insect populations and assist in seed dispersal. Their presence is often a sign of a healthy environment. In Salalah, where Khareef transforms dry landscapes into green wonderlands, the Weaver bird symbolizes renewal and seasonal change. It reflects how life adapts and flourishes even in regions surrounded by desert. Respecting nature. While exploring Weaver bird habitats, it is important to maintain distance from nests and avoid disturbing breeding colonies. These birds may abandon nests if they feel threatened. Visitors should avoid loud noises, not touch nests, keep the environment clean, respect private farmland. Sustainable tourism ensures that future generations can continue enjoying this natural marvel. Final thoughts. The Weaver bird of Salalah is more than just a small yellow bird. It is a symbol of creativity, resilience, and harmony with nature. Its woven nests tell stories of patience and precision. Its life cycle reveals dedication and instinctual intelligence. In the green valleys of Dhofar, under misty skies and gentle breezes, these tiny architects continue building their hanging homes, reminding us that even the smallest creatures can create the most extraordinary wonders. If you ever visit Salalah, look up into the trees. You might just see one of nature's finest engineers at work.